So these two holes become an intake and an exhaust. Air pushed through this hole will travel up all these tubes, which are definitely not just plastic drinking straws, and then when it reaches the top, it ends up coming back down these tubes before exiting the second hole. This bundle of straws may be simple, but when it's installed in the unit, we find that its intake and exhaust holes line up with the intake and exhaust of the small blower. That means the blower is actually just repeatedly moving air through this thing and that small section of the desiccant wheel in a loop. Before long, because of the heating element, that loop of air gets very hot and very damp from all the moisture it's releasing from the desiccant wheel. In fact, it's so damp that the air inside of it is practically fully saturated with water and at nearly 100% humidity. That means if the air inside these tubes is cooled even just a little bit, it's going to fall below the dew point and moisture will condense out of it. And wouldn't you know it, when assembled, the straws are in the same air path as the rest of the desiccant wheel, so the large PC fan ends up cooling them with ambient air. You can actually see them right here in this assembled machine. The slightly chilly walls of these straws will quickly build up condensation on their insides, and once enough builds up, it falls down into the bottom cavity and comes out these two holes. Then that water is directed into the little collection bucket. This is a really clever idea.